Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a PrimePDF review. We'll test all key features and pricing to see if this document tool deserves a spot in your daily workflow.
So what exactly is PrimePDF? It is a completely browser-based PDF editor and converter tool designed to eliminate the friction of managing documents. The biggest selling point here is convenience. It works entirely without any software installation. You simply open your browser, upload your document, make your edits and download the finished file in seconds. Because it runs natively in the web browser, it works seamlessly whether you are on a desktop, a tablet or a smartphone.
Let's dive into the core features. First up is direct editing.
Unlike basic viewers, PrimePDF lets you change existing text and swap or modify images right inside the document layout. If you handle paperwork, it includes dedicated tools for filling out forms and adding secure digital signatures. For research and collaboration, the interface provides clean highlighting and annotation tools to mark up key sections quickly. When it comes to the document processing, the built-in converter smoothly transforms PDFs into editable Word documents, Excel sheets, PowerPoint presentations, or clean image files. If you are dealing with massive files that are too heavy for email attachments, the optimization engine lets you compress the large PDFs into a manageable size without sacrificing text clarity. Finally, managing document structure is straightforward with the page tools, which allow you to reorder, insert, rotate, or delete individual pages with a few clicks.
Now let's talk about the pricing. PrimePDF offers 7-day trial that gives you full access to the entire toolkit.
There's a small one-time entry charge of approximately $1 for initial access and validation. Just remember, if you only want to test it out, make sure to cancel before the 7-day trial ends to avoid recurring subscription charges.
Looking at the highlights, the zero installation nature of the platform is a massive advantage.
You get a powerful desktop-grade toolkit directly inside a lightweight browser interface. User reliability ratings are consistently positive, making it a highly dependable choice when you need to fix a document on a fly without worrying about software compatibility or system updates.
PrimePDF is an excellent, highly effective option for anyone looking to streamline their document management. It is best suited for students managing coursework, small businesses handling daily invoices, and professionals navigating remote work or travel-heavy tech workflows. Thanks for watching, my dear friends. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next videos.